Hi students, now let's start next practical from organic estimation section, practical number 3. Aim of today's practical is to estimate the saponification value of the given oil. Now apparatus required for this practical is burette, pipette, round bottom flask, water condenser, conical flask, standard flask having capacity 100 ml and weight box, etc. Chemicals required: oil, zero point 0.1 normal alcoholic KOH, 0.1 normal HCl, phenolphthalein as an indicator, and distilled water. Now this is the reaction where oil, that is glycerol, allowed to react, where we get triglycerol. Now theory of this practical: saponification value of oil is defined as the number of milligram of KOH required to saponify 1 gram of oil. Saponification is nothing but hydrolysis process of fats or oil under basic condition, which gives glycerol and salt of the corresponding fatty acid. Saponification literally meaning soap making. So what is the meaning of saponification? To make soap. Fats such as triglycerides upon alkaline hydrolysis, that is in presence of alkali media, hydrolysis takes place either with KOH or NaOH, gives glycerol and potassium or sodium salt of fatty acid. So that is called as a soap. So now procedure. This practical is carried out in two parts. First part, which is a blank titration. All of you know that. What is meant by blank titration? Titration which does not contain sample solution. Now first point, rinse and fill the burette with given HCl solution and adjust the 0 mark. Pipette out 25 ml of alcoholic KOH solution in 100 ml standard flask and add to this distilled water up to the mark. That means we are preparing 100 ml KOH solution. Pipette out 10 ml of this solution in conical flask, that is this KOH solution. Add 2 to 3 drops of phenolphthalein as an indicator and titrate versus HCl, which is filled in burette till color changes from titration is continue till color changes from pink to colorless. Note down the burette reading. Repeat the titration till constant readings are obtained and note down this reading as a blank reading. Now second part, that is sample titration. Name itself indicate that this titration contains sample. Fill the burette with HCl solution, adjust the 0 mark, place 1 gram of accurately weighed oil or its solution in alcohol in 100 ml round bottom flask. Add 25 ml 1 normal alcoholic KOH solution. Third point, reflects the reaction mixture using water condenser on a boiling water bath for 60 to 90 minutes. Cool the solution, transfer the reaction mixture in standard flask of 100 ml capacity and dilute with water up to the mark. Then from that, pipette out 10 ml of this solution in a conical flask, which is clean one. Add 2 to 3 drops of phenolphthalein as an indicator and titrate versus HCl till the color changes from pink to colorless. That is, this is the end point. Note down the burette reading. Repeat the titration till constant readings are obtained. Now observation of part first. Solution in burette 0.1 normal HCl solution. Pipette out alcoholic KOH 10 ml. Indicator phenolphthalein in point pink to colorless. Now this is the observation table where you have to record initial reading, that is 0, 0, final reading and differences. Now reading I will give a video. By watching this video, in that video the readings are given. Put that reading within this observation table. Now calculation of part first, as 10 ml of diluted alcohol correspond to V1, that is the reading from blank titration ml of HCl. Then 100 ml, why 100 ml? Because we prepared 100 ml. 100 ml of diluted alcoholic KOH solution correspond to or reacted with how much ml of HCl. So it will give you 10 into V1, that is blank reading of 0.1 normal HCl. So this is a whatever reading coming, that much amount of KOH required for 100 ml. Now part second, sample titration observation. In sample titration, solution in burette is 0.1 normal SCl. Pipette out solution is alcoholic KOH sample containing a KOH solution 10 ml. Then indicator use phenolphthalein, end point is pink to colorless. Now here we take oil, which is our sample solution. Observation table, initial reading, final reading, difference. As 10 ml of diluted alcohol containing oil reacted or furnished by V2 ml 0.1 normal SCl solution. Now here V2 is nothing but sample reading. Then therefore 100 ml of diluted alcoholic CoA solution containing oil correspond to or reacted with how much ml of 0.1 normal SCl. By using this formula you can calculate that. Now calculation, weight of oil W is equal to 1 gram. We are going to take 1 gram of oil. Amount of KOH consumed in terms of 0.1 normal SCl is equal to 10 into V1 minus 10 into V2, which is equal to P3 ml. So by putting the values of V1, V2, that is a blank reading and sample reading, you get, by using this formula you get V3, that is the ml of KOH required for saponification of oil, as 1000 ml of 1 normal SCl correspond to 56 gram of KOH. That means this much 1000 ml and this much normality of SCl required to react with 56 gram of KOH. Then V3, which is obtained from this formula of oil, V3 ml of 0.1 normal SCl correspond to how much gram of KOH. Here we calculate indirectly. So by using this formula you get the amount of KOH. Now as 1 gram of oil required or correspond to 5.6 into V3, this much divided by 1000 gram of KOH. From that you can calculate saponification value of oil, which gives the formula this one. By putting the value of V3 you get the value of KOH. So the saponification value of oil is equal to the whatever the result obtained from this, write down here. Now significance of this practical is, it is important to industrial user to know the amount of free fatty acid present, since this determines in large measure the refining loss. So to avoid the refining loss, to know the amount of fatty acid is important from the point of industrial view. The amount of free fatty acid is estimated by determining the quantity of alkali, that is we are here using KOH. From KOH you can determine the amount of fatty acid, and which is because of presence of oil alkali that must be added to the fat to render its neutral. So this is the significance of today's practical. Now result of today's practical is the saponification value of the given oil, whatever is obtaining, that is written should be here. Now guys, sample reading and blank reading is given in video, which is not of course mine, that video is another person. I will posted that video in Google Classroom. You have to watch that video and note down the sample reading and blank reading from that video. Put that reading within this practical and calculate the amount of saponification of the oil. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you are having any difficulties, comment in Google Classroom. I will help you. So thank you so much.